Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to do scenario planning that can answer strategic questions and generate valuable insights. Driver-based scenario analysis can be done relatively easily by changing assumptions in our model. For example, we can quickly answer a question like, what if our annual sales growth is not 10% but 8%? However, when it comes to more strategic questions, such as, is it worthwhile to enter a new market? A driver-based approach won't work. What we need is an action-based approach to answer questions like, what would be the impact of a new sales program? How much resource would product improvement need? Is it worthwhile to enter a new market? And how much financing would we need to achieve all this? Imagine trying to answer all those questions by adjusting some key assumptions. Pretty hard, right? What we did here is planning those initiatives separately and then combine them with the base case to create and evaluate different scenarios. By the end of this video, you can do the same too. In this model, we have created a dashboard with our key financial metrics on sales, profitability, and cash. We have modeled our base case using assumptions. As you can see, this company is growing in sales, but not yet profitable. In the current state, the company will need to refinance in July 2023. The management has come up with some initiatives to increase sales, extend product offerings, and expand to a new market. In addition, we plan to run a cost performance program. Now the management wants to know what are the impacts of these initiatives and how would that affect our funding situation. To answer those questions, we can prepare a dynamic, action-based scenario analysis in 3 steps. First, prepare the baseline financial plan. Second, plan the impacts of each of the initiatives separately. Third, add each initiative to the baseline. Then we can select and deselect each initiative individually. Now with this dashboard, we can show how the sales effort would have a negative impact on cash in the short term, but improve the revenue and profitability over time. In the same way, we can also see the impacts from other initiatives. Running these initiatives will require upfront investment, which is why our cash balance turns negative in March 2023. With additional funding, we can close this liquidity gap. By using this approach, we can see the isolated effects of each initiative or in combination with other initiatives. For example, we can see the isolated effects from market expansion alone or in combination with expansion of our product offerings. It allows us to clearly lay out and explain the status quo, the action plans, the required funding, and the future goals of the company. You can achieve all I just showed you in Excel alone, but this file won't be small, collecting all those data won't be easy, and your model won't be very robust against changes. As you can see, we only have 5 data tabs in this file. Let me show you how Casetak can help us simplify this task in 3 easy steps. Here we've built a flow where we have connected our financial model to several spreadsheets. First, we have the actuals holding the data from our accounting system. You could also use our built-in integrations to QuickBooks or Xero here. Next, we have the files that hold the planning of our initiatives. Every file here follows the same template, but this is not necessarily required. Then, we load, standardize, and consolidate all the data and make it available in our financial model. This way, we can easily work with our colleagues responsible for planning the separate initiatives, update all data by rerunning the flow, make analysis based on standardized and consolidated input data, extend our scenarios by adding more templates. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. All the files and flow I've shown you today are available in Casetak as a template. If you're interested in learning more about our software, check out the links in the description. You can visit our website, book a live demo with us, or directly start using Casetak for free.